Turkey's Valentine Surprise. It was Valentine's Day, and all the animals on Farmer Jake's farm were exchanging cards and treats. Turkey pulled a card out of his Valentine box. His waddled wiggled with delight as he read the note. Dear Turkey, you are like no otter. From a secret admirer. Oh, how utterly clever, said Turkey. Valentines from a secret admirer are the most fun. He shook his tail feathers. I am going to make one for each of my pals, and I will deliver them in disguise, so they stay secret. Turkey was determined to make valentines that were just as clever as the one he'd gotten. He just needed some inspiration. Perfect! Then he found it. I know just the disguise to go with this valentine, said Turkey. Rooster won't pay any attention to a cat passing by. Rooster, you're perfect. From a secret admirer. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, Turkey looked just like a cat. Almost. Inch by inch, he crept closer to Rooster's valentine box. Just as he slipped the card inside, Rooster flew down and grabbed it. I have a feeling that you're not a cat. You're Turkey, said Rooster. But what a clever valentine. Oh, gobble, gobble, moaned Turkey. I wanted it to be a secret surprise. Oh, sorry, said Rooster. Maybe I can surprise Horse, said Turkey. But first, I need a new card idea. How about this? Said Rooster. Perfect, said Turkey. I know just the disguise to go with. Horse won't notice an extra dog running around the farm. Horse, you're doggone delightful. From a secret admirer. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, Turkey looked just like a dog. Almost. Rooster threw a ball towards Horse's valentine box. Fetch, he crowed. Turkey ran on all fours the best he could. Woof, woof. He dropped the valentine into Horse's box, grabbed the ball, and hid behind a bush to watch what would happen. Horse read the card and peeked behind the bush. You might as well come out, Turkey, he said. I know it's you, but thanks for the nice valentine. Oh, gobble, gobble, groaned Turkey. I wanted it to be a secret surprise. Sorry, said Horse. Maybe I can help you surprise someone else. Who's next? Cow, said Turkey. Just give me a minute to find another idea. Turkey scoured the ground. This one's it, he declared. Totally awesome. Cow, you're totally awesome. From a secret admirer. He made Cow's valentine. I know just the disguise to go with this. Cow would think nothing of seeing a toad hopping around the farm. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, Turkey looked just like a toad. Almost. Turkeys aren't good hoppers, Turkey told Horse. Will you help me reach Cow's valentine box? Just as Turkey was about to put the card in Cow's box, Horse hit a bump. Wow! Thud! Cow shook his head. What's up, Turkey? Why do you look like a toad? Gobble, 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 wailed Turkey. I just wanted to give all my pals secret surprise valentine cards, but they've all been ruined. Cow read the card. But it's still a wonderful valentine, he said. How about I help you deliver sheep's and pig's cards? They're both in the barn. That would be gobble, gobble great, said Turkey. And Owl shouldn't have any trouble sneaking a valentine into their box. They probably won't even look up. His costume wasn't bad. In fact, Turkey looked just like an owl. Almost. Sheep, you're a hoot. From a secret admirer. Pig, I'm telling you, you're cool. From a secret admirer. Cow and Turkey stealthily made their way up to the hayloft in the barn. Cow held tight to the rope as he lowered Turkey down bit by bit. Turkey swung left. Turkey swung right. He was almost there. Whomp! Sheep looked over at Pig. Is it owl in my head? Or did Turkey just fall from the sky? Pig picked up the fallen valentines and gave Sheep hers. Cool valentine, Turkey. Thank you, said Pig. Turkey sighed. I gobble give up. I wanted you all to get surprise secret valentines because they're the most fun, but you all found out they were from me. Your valentines were still great, said Sheep. And so clever, said Cow. We love them, said Pig. Us too, said Rooster and Horse. Turkey trudged over to his box and plopped down. Maybe next year I can surprise them. He decided to distract himself from his disappointment by reading his own valentines. Then he saw a heart that gave him one last idea. That's it, screeched Turkey. I've got to hurry. The Valentine's Day starts in just 2 hours. Turkey peeked into the barn. No one was there yet. He delivered his secret surprise and hustled away unseen. At the dance, everyone was delighted with the delicious pizza. I love you all. 2 pizzas. From a secret admirer. Turkey couldn't keep from smiling. No one will ever know it was me, he said. This is the most clever Valentine's surprise ever.